Now you're going to play the wind, okay? So when you see that light over there, you're going to play the wind like this. Now listen, non you do too hard because the last week I break the wind. Myself up. Okay, you come over here. Now you're going to be the fortune telling machine, okay? So when you see this light over here, you're going to tickle the bells. Okay, okay. Now you're going to come in here. Now you're going to be the rattling of the armor, okay? So when you see this light over here, you're going to shake your pile of junk. This is a pile of junk, you hear? Now you're going to be the squeaking of the door and the creaking of the floor, okay? So when you see this light here, you're going to say squeak. Say squeak. Squeak. That's a nice one. Melanie, now you're going to play the most important part of the show, Melanie. You are going to be the kissing stunt double. Okay. So when you see this light here, Melanie, like that, you're going to kiss.
No, she's not.
The back of your hand, the back of your hand. Don't worry, dream on. Okay, now listen everybody, what you're doing here is going to be in the final edit, okay? So you're going to watch the lights, and when you see your lighter go on, you play. When the lighter go off, you stop. Capish? Okay, that's a nice, okay. Here we go now. Roberto, faccia brutto. Roll the pitch. I'm going to do everything else. Here we go. 1, 2, e 3. Everybody, except for the kiss. Roll back to the kiss. Femmina, dusina, mala femmina. Signor, look, you gotta make this kiss more romantica. Now you gotta make a believe in the back of your hand is like Rudolpho Valentino. Al Pacino?
Sounds better.
Tom Cruise?
Even better.
So I need amore, okay? Here we go now. Roberto, Giacchiaron, roll the picture. Amore, go. Amore. Passion. I need passion. Passion. Try the other hand. Passion, amore. Bésame mucho. Amore. Infant, brava! È bravissima a tutto. Let's hear it for everybody. Okay, go back to Dana now. Everybody go back to Dana except for you, Melanie. Melanie. Wait a